out on the hills of glory land, so happy and free at God's right hand. They tell of a place of marvelous grace on heaven's bright shore. Pilgrims on earth someday will go to living at home forevermore, trusting in Him who died for our sin and rose from the grave on heaven's bright shore. There'll be no more dying over there, not one little grave in all that fair land. Not even a tear will dim the eye, and no one up there will say goodbye, singing His praise through endless days on heaven's bright shore. And I must cross that rolling tide to be someone on the other side, welcoming me to that fair land made perfect by love. And I must walk up that milky white way, I'll see that homecoming in array. How great it must be for the angels to see a pilgrim reach home on heaven's bright shore.